me under your weight. Got time, you got the space. Said I'm free like a spring breeze. Our connection puts us still in the air. Elevate me with your mental caress. In a nomadic drifting love affair. Said I'm free like a spring breeze. Keep me floating on and on. Hold me close, don't let go. Keep me floating on and on. Hold me close, don't let go. Like a hot air balloon into the skies. The flame is the fuel for the temperature to rise. While we're watching, we're rising, cutting through the clouds. While it's burning, we're drifting. When time is not allowed, we're rising, cutting through the clouds. While it's burning, drifting. Time is not allowed. Keep me floating on and on. Hold me close, don't let go. Keep me floating on and on. Hold me close, don't let go. Don't let go, baby. Hold me, yeah. Hold me, hold me, hold me. Oh, yeah. Hold me. Hold me, honey, take me there beyond the sky. I've been waiting oh so patiently. Don't let me down. Sunshine, come make my day.
Had a little faux pas with the baby. He was crawling all the way across the thing, grabbing my whole neck and everything. So anyway, I finally got some mascara on so that I can look decent. And yeah, so I'm gonna snap a few photos and then I'm gonna post those up. And this is called I Don't Have Everything I Should Have to Do This Makeup. So overall, this particular foundation I probably will not buy again because you can see under my neck it is dark. But yeah, it's very red, and there you have it. So this is my review on WetNWild foundation.